Prana Mataji, Revered Kriti Prana Mataji, all other respected Matajis, Honorable guest Professor Bashuk Choudhury, faculty members, parents, students, and well-wishers of this college. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I present the annual report of Ramakrishna Sharada Mission Vivekananda Vidya Bhavan for the academic years 2023-24 and 2024-25. Ramakrishna Sharada Mission Vivekananda Vidya Bhavan is a partially residential degree college for women, the first educational institution established by the Ramakrishna Sharada Mission. Since its inception in 1961, inspired by Swami Vivekananda's vision of women's education, the college has been a beacon of academic excellence and moral upliftment. We acknowledge the generous contribution of Sri T.N. Bhattacharya, whose donation of 30 bighas of land and a house laid the foundation of this noble institution. Our college provides a disciplined and peaceful academic environment under the guidance of monastic members and dedicated faculty members. It aims to shape students into confident, self-reliant individuals committed to social responsibility and values of equality, freedom, justice, and tolerance. The hostel is an integral part of our institution, providing an all-round education in a disciplined environment. The boarders reside in 2 spacious buildings under the loving care of the monastic members, ensuring holistic personality development. Our well-equipped and spacious library, Shraddha Prana Pathakakha, is fully automated with RFID technology, holding about 24,000 books and journals to cater to academic needs. Additional facilities include photocopying, computer access, and internet connectivity. The library also houses an Indian Knowledge System section, Digital Humanities section, along with an Internet Resource Center with facilities for the visually challenged users and career guidance and gender resource sections. In January 2025, we inaugurated a permanent archival exhibition, Our Heritage, in the library under the Women Missionaries of Ramakrishna Order Research and Resource Center of our college to promote research on related areas. Additionally, departmental seminar libraries provide access to reference books and materials for honor students. Recognizing the demand for skill-based education, our college offers various certificate and diploma courses, including Diploma in Applied GIS and Remote Sensing, PG diplomas in Hospital Management and Psychological Counseling in collaboration with Sister Nivedita University, certificate courses in Anchoring and News Reading, Multimedia, Digital Marketing, Basic Nursing, Elderly Care, Organic Manual Making, Tailoring and Handicrafts. Additionally, mandatory computer and communicative English training is provided to every student along with compulsory karate training for first year students. The college has a cultural activity club, Srijoni, where different courses of extracurricular activities are conducted. The college also conducts different physical training courses and competitive exam coaching classes. It is my pleasure to announce the university results. The students of RKSMVV have performed exceptionally well in examinations. Results of 2023 BA and BSc Same-Sex Honours Examination, 124 appeared, 105 secured a CGPA above 7. BA Same-Sex General Examinations, 3 appeared, 1 secured CGPA above 7. Results of 2024 BA and BSc Same-Sex Honours Examination, 106 appeared, 87 secured a CGPA above 7. BA Same-Sex General Examination, 11 appeared, 4 secured CGPA above 7. In the latest published rank list of West Bengal State University, several students from our college have secured top 10 ranks, demonstrating their academic excellence and dedication. Year 2023. Bengali Honours, 1st and 6th position. Economics Honours, 7th position. Education Honours, 1st, 2nd and 10th position. English Honours, 2nd and 4th position. Geography Honours, 1st position. Journalism and Mass Communication Honours, 1st and 10th position. Philosophy Honours, 1st, 4th, 5th and 8th position. Political Science Honours, 2nd, 6th and 10th position. Sanskrit Honours, 2nd and 7th position. Sociology Honours, 4th and 6th position. Year 2024. Bengali Honours, 6th position. Economics Honours, 4th position. Education Honours, 3rd position. English Honours, 5th position. Geography Honours, 4th position. History Honours, 6th and 9th position. Philosophy Honours, 4th and 9th position. Sanskrit Honours, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 9th position. Sociology Honours, 1st position. Student progression of RKSMVV in higher studies and placement. Out of the 127 ongoing students, 77 are pursuing higher studies, while 24 have secured placement through the college placement cell. This is in year 2022-23. Year 2023-24, out of the 117 outgoing students, 42 are pursuing higher studies, 38 have been placed through the college placement cell, while 20 are enrolled in our competitive coaching centers. To support student placements, the college has initiated a yearly mega job fair to enhance industry connections and create employment opportunities. Through the Tata Consultancy Service or TCS, the college successfully conducted the Youth Employment Program, and in collaboration with Magic Bus India Foundation, students are being assisted in joining skill impact bond training, equipping them with industry relevant skills. Our college remains committed to environmental sustainability and has taken proactive steps toward a greener future. 2 significant initiatives have been successfully completed. One of them is carbon mapping and the other is developing an urban forest within the campus. Both projects are done in collaboration with the West Bengal Biodiversity Board. Additionally, the college has established a herbal garden named Jivaka Ganam, further promoting ecological balance and environmental awareness and research opportunities among students and faculty. We are pleased to announce that our institution has received significant financial assistance from various sources, enabling us to enhance our academic and infrastructural facilities. We have received a government grant under RUSA 2 amounting to rupees 36,55,862 for college infrastructural development. The Sharoda scholarship amounting to rupees 50,000 has been provided by the Ramakrishna Sharoda Mission headquarters to support the education of 10 deserving students. The Alumni Association has generously covered the year-long tuition fees of 4 students. 2 memorial prizes have been instituted by the Alumni Association. Pratima Majumdar Memorial Prize for the highest marks in Bengali Honours, Shanti Sarkar Memorial Prize for the highest marks in English Honours. Additionally, the Alumni Association has sponsored 2 new scholarships in memory of Pravrajika Amalprana Mataji and Pravrajika Bhashwaraprana Mataji. The Alumni Association has actively contributed to the development of the college by renovating the main gate of the college, installing a large signboard next to Bangur Gate in the year 2022-23, donating 1,95,785 rupees towards the College Development Fund for the academic year 2023-24 and 2,44,798 rupees for the academic year 2024-25. The Teachers' Council has extended financial aid by covering the university examination fees for 6 students. Several individuals and organizations have come forward to financially support the college, which plays a crucial role in improving our institution. We extend our sincere gratitude to PG teachers, Dr. Ranjana Mukherjee, Srimati Sangeeta Desarkar, ex-teacher, Dr. Sudokshina Gupta, college teachers, Dr. Shobita Choudhury, Dr. Choiti Mitra, Dr. Rakhi Ghosh, Dr. Gargi Gangopadhyay, Dr. Anushuya Chatterjee, Dr. Shoma Mari, Dr. Bidisha Mukherjee, Dr. Debruta Das, Srimati Sanju Lal, librarian Paroma Sarkhet, office staff Shushmita Das, well-wishers Srimati Rupa Basu, Sri Pratik Chakraborty, Sri Anjan Dasgupta, Srimati Paroma Chakraborty, Srimati Paromita Kaur, Srimati Sucheta Ghosh, Sri Debesh Das, Srimati Shukla Vishwas, Sri Kumarjit Chakraborty, Srimati Riya Mondol, Srimati Paromita Sen, Srimati Prapti Bepari, Srimati Parshati Choudhury, Sri Hiranya Mukhopadhyay, Sri Arnab Kundu, Sri Ishan Kumar Danda, Sri Dhruva Kumar Danda, Srimati Nomita Choudhury, Srimati Manjura Chakraborty, Dr. Priyambada Sarkar, Srimati Shikha Chakraborty, Srimati Shrita Chakraborty, Miss Mandakini Dhurat, Srimati Urpita Chatterjee, Dr. Sharmishtha Sen, Sri Kaushik Chandra, Srimati Tanushree Sinha, Srimati Richa Gulati, Srimati Sangeeta Choudhury, Srimati Arundhati Guha, Sri Dhruva Protacharya Chakraborty, Srimati Tanushree Sinha, Sri Paresh Chandra Sarkar, Srimati Nipa Chakraborty, Srimati Anjana Sinha, Srimati Shyamoshree Sardar, Srimati Sonali Chakraborty, Dr. Shivani Saha, Srimati Suparna Rai, Dr. Malavika Chakraborty, Srimati Shati Kharbanda, Srimati Sapna Dalal, Srimati Preeti Banerjee. Our college has also received invaluable donations in the form of essential equipment and infrastructure. Sri Hiranya Mukhopadhyay donated 7 smart TVs for smart classrooms. Sri Shapon Sarkar donated 31 assembled desktop to establish geography and journalism computer laboratories. Parinam Foundation donated GIS software, 10 smart TVs and 2 laptops for academic enhancement. Sri Sandipan Chattopadhyay donated 5 Mac desktops for the library and 12 5-tier racks for the college. Sri Devashish Saha donated rupees 10 lakhs for installing a lift for the library in memory of Prograjika Bhashar Prana Mataji and also contributed 10 laptops. Srimati Snigdha Mondol, Dr. Sudakshina Gupta and Sri Sandip Mitra contributed towards the establishment of a gymnasium which has been dedicated in memory of Prograjika Bhashar Prana Mataji. Srimati Devjani Ghosh donated 1,000 saplings for the creation of the urban forest on our campus named Noimi Sharanya. Sri Pinaki Sarkar donated furniture and a desktop for the college. Payal Bosh Bishwas, Shaberi Rokhi, Tanju Datta and Rohini Dharmapal, teachers of this college, have contributed for the furnishing of the girls' common room. With these generous contributions, our institution is continuously progressing towards its goal of providing quality education and infrastructure to students in alignment with Swami Vivekananda's vision of empowering women through education. We are proud to announce that in the latest NAAC assessment, our college has been accredited with an A+ grade with a CGPA of 3.45, a significant milestone. I would like to share an excerpt from the NAAC peer team report. RKSMVV's institutional values are deeply embedded in its educational philosophy. By integrating traditional values with modern education, RKSMVV creates an environment that nurtures responsible and empowered individuals. Its commitment to innovation and inclusivity positions it as a model institution for holistic development. This recognition is indeed a moment of pride for our institution. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all benefactors, government agencies, alumni, faculty members, well-wishers and philanthropic organizations, and of course our students, whose unwavering support strengthens us to build a brighter future. We also extend an earnest appeal to our friends, well-wishers and devotees to continue supporting us in our journey to fulfill Swamiji's dream of imparting true education to women. I offer my heartfelt thanks and respectful namaskar to Honorable Professor Bashok Choudhury, Senior Director of Education, Kalyan Bharati Trust, Director of Heritage College and Principal of Heritage Institute of Technology. I also pray for his good health and the right spirit of activities. I conclude this report with respectful namaskar, best wishes and heartfelt thanks to you all. Thank you.